Hi, this is Jackie's video, so she can start.
It's my birthday!
It's Jackie's birthday. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Happy birthday!
I back it up. I back it up.
So Coy is gonna do my makeup today. If you guys have not subscribed to Coy's channel, I will link that down below so you can go follow him.
Coy loves beauty.
For those of you who don't know, Coy is my baby brother.
Oh yeah.
This is our first video together, actually.
Yes.
I have a clean face. I already washed my face. I put all of my under eye creams and my moisturizer on, so my face is pretty hydrated.
You don't look like you're porous, so you don't need like any primer. You already have. If you have good skin, you really don't need a primer. It's just like an extra slap on. I mean, like, you know. So you can turn to me a little bit. That way you can see your gorgeous brows.
I got it from my mama, which is almost Mother's Day. Yes, I was born on Mother's Day.
Really? That's good.
Yeah. So Coy is a certified or licensed.
Oh yeah, licensed.
Sorry, licensed, not certified. Licensed cosmopolitan.
Yes.
He does his own hair.
I do my own hair, which is so hard to do. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Then I went over to Sephora, and that's when I really got a feel for doing makeup. I mean, I was already into makeup before, but I was really just in brows, foundation, concealer. That was it. And then Sephora really launched my interest for going more in depth, like eyeshadows, contouring and whatnot. I'm not a pro, but I just definitely.
I think you've gotten so much better.
I've gotten so much better. Like not even to like toot my own horn, but I've gotten so much better. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the concealer on her eyes too. You know, as a base.
Would you ever get laser hair removal?
Yes. Oh. If I had thousands of millions of dollars, I would totally do it. I would get rid of this beard. I get so many compliments from guys. They're always like, oh my gosh, you have such a full beard. Like, I can't even grow that. Like, I wish I could do it. And I'm like, please take it away. I'm not missing that.
Mitching? You're not mitching?
You know what, Jackie? I wasn't born in... I mean...
You're not born? Really?
I mean, you know.
The Villaseñor brow.
They could use a tweezer or two.
Coy is the angry bird, the red one.
I mean...
With the black eyebrows.
I will mess up your brows right now.
Look straight at things.
No, but they're not even filled in. They're not even.
Right
Wow.
there.
I can just fill in my brows real quick if you want. Either Bright Vibes from Violet Voss. I love this one. I've been using this like every freaking day, like since it came out. Oh my gosh.
Make me look wild, all and crazy. Bippity boppity boo. Oh.
Close your eyes. I don't know what brush this is. It's from Crown. I don't know what
What's Crown? I've not heard of that brand.
It's a brand that's only at my stores where licensed cosmetologists can shop. I haven't seen it in any stores. You can definitely find it online, but I like these brushes. They're vegan, cruelty-free. They're pretty inexpensive, or actually for me they're inexpensive.
I want to know what your thoughts are on the whole like COVID like beauty community like situation.
One story that caught my attention was Sephora, how they
the JCPenney?
That they're going bankrupt and that they might take them out.
Yes,
so there's that story, but then actual Sephora themselves, they laid off all their like employees because they didn't want to pay them for the COVID-19 thing.
Wait, for real?
Yeah, they laid off so many of their employees, and I was like, that's horrible because Sephora has so much money. They have billions of dollars. They're part of Louis Vuitton.
They're like the Louis Vuitton.
They are like Louis Vuitton basically. So it's like my company promised to pay my team and like our other stores until June 30th.
Wow, that's a long time.
I love this freaking pink. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, I wasn't gonna say anything.
This is so pretty already.
I feel like I need to do more like colorful looks.
I'm not even done, and this just like.
Ooh, I like.
Oh,
I really want to do a skin video with you.
Oh yeah, we should.
If you guys like have any like questions on like skincare, Coy is he's an unacclaimed esthetician like genius.
I'm an undiscovered like educator.
Like Coy knows so much about all these ingredients and about quality product. He just like knows a lot about a lot. We grew up with like mom like always being into makeup and always being into skincare, like anti-aging, sunscreen, like fighting all those signs and stuff. And I think that's why you and I are like so into all that stuff.
Oh, for sure. I really started getting into it whenever I had my long hair because I mean obviously I was looking.
Do you have a picture? Can you like send it to me so I can put it on here?
Not a good picture, but I mean like I'll send it.
Yeah, send me.
I look a little cross-eyed, but it's fine.
I don't even know what your favorite movie is.
Well, I mean, it was Shrek 2 for a while.
Oh my gosh, that is my favorite movie. I have a lot of favorite movies, but I love that movie. That movie is so funny. Fiona! Oh shoot. I don't think it can heal you, bitches.
Literally, I watched that like every day when like...
Oh my gosh, when it came out?
Yes.
Yes, I remember.
watching
I love K-pop. You know this. You know how much I'm obsessed with K-pop.
Oh, okay. Close your eyes.
Baby.
So I'm concealing her inner eye so that way her color will show.
I feel like Jeffrey should be posting way more. You know what? He might be just working.
He's definitely
on his line because he did say that he was going that has a new collection in the works that he's been working on.
Yes, there's that, and then I also feel like he's probably just taking a break because the whole drama with him and his former boyfriend. Blend.
Blend monster.
Blend.
Do you guys think that they'll cancel Halloween? I know that's kind of far from now, but Halloween's my favorite.
That's a really good question. That's a really, really good question.
Tell them that it's my birthday. Tell them that it's my birthday. They don't know, so it's okay when I pop that. Okay, now it's your turn. Go.
Happy birthday,
Mr. President.
Happy birthday to you. Ah, that was so good. That was so good.
Oh my God, Julian. Why are you setting me now?
No, I'm not setting you. I'm hydrating you so I can put this glitter on your eyes. And we're just doing light little taps because I don't want to overwhelm the whole inner eye area with glitter because I want that color to show through. Then it's like less to clean up, and then you don't have to worry about like messing up your foundation.
Time to play. Can you test the authentic from the bootleg? Is that what it would be called?
Wow.
Is that what it would be called?
The dupe. Which
is the original and which is the dupe? Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh.
Can you guys guess which one is the original and which one is the dupe?
That is so funny.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Original!
Ah! You win!
First luck.
You need a fork. Oh, you can hear that. Turn it up.
I always want to do like an ASMR video and just be like, right? And then all of a sudden, hold on. You gotta back up. Boy was always just all about hair.
And I mean and then I guess skincare came next. Yeah, skincare. Yeah, skincare came next because I had my hair first, and then I had my acne going on. Roller liner.
Ooh, roller liner. I love roller liner.
This the Allure. I was about to say Rimmel. It looks like Rimmel. Yeah.
Get the London look.
The London look. Oh my gosh, what an icon. Yeah. That's blended. Jackie, you have sensitive eyes.
I know. I like don't touch my skin. No, you're so rough on my skin.
Okay.
Okay, Natasha, come through.
You can definitely set it with powder or setting spray to give it more reinforcement, but I do not set it by itself and it'll last all day with me.
Wow.
The only thing is that like you will get a little bit oily, but like a blot, easy done.
Yeah.
Some good old Anastasia. I love this bronzer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know, it's so cute. I like her bronzers. On my forehead.
This feels good. It feels like I'm being patted on my face.
Platinum Ice highlight palette. I just broke it today, the mirror. Love it.
Jeffrey, send help.
We're gonna pack a lot because duh. That's what I've kind of found with Jeffrey's highlighters. I don't know if like everyone's like that, but I find that you have to like pat it on first and then blend out.
Is it just me, or like whenever you guys get your makeup done, don't you ever feel like you're slightly pulled back? Like in your face? Like just a little bit? Like
what?
No? Like whenever you put like your makeup on?
Snatched?
Yes!
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
That snatched feeling.
And now we're gonna go in with Saint Tropez of Anastasia's.
Saint Tropez.
It's got a multi-dimensional type of like shade effect to it. It would really match with the highlight and the kind of like pinkness. So we're just gonna go in with this color.
Tickle me pink. I like it.
Yes! And the final touches, final touches. Hold on, me first. Okay, then Jackie. Yes! Yes!
Shower me.
Yay, happy birthday! My bad, got too excited.
Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed.
Yes.
And then we'll do final looks. Feeling like a queen.
Queen status.
What do you guys think about this look? I love it. I think my favorite part is the highlight, how you tied the highlight in with everything.
Yes.
I like the gloss too.
I love the gloss.
I think you did great. I'm like shocked. I'm shooketh.
I know.
A wee bit. You did really good.
I know I did. Next time I'll have makeup on, for sure.
Ooh, next time I should do your makeup.
Yeah, I was lazy today.
Thank you guys for watching.
Happy birthday to you and to you if your birthday happens to be on the same day as
And
this
happy
birthday.
Mother's Day.
Oh, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Enjoy y'all's weekend.
Give your mother a hug.
Or I guess if you're starting your week, enjoy your week.
Yes. There's a man in here.
Oh, man. It's my birthday weekend.
Yay! Oh, wait, hold on.
Fanny.
Fan? Oh.
Fanny.
Yes.
Yeah. Before we get into it, I want to remind you guys that I do have dance menus and cheer menus down below in the comments that you guys can do that I'm doing.
Oh, she's like,
Hey, look at her eyes.
She's like, oh.
Okay.
She's like, oh.
She does not like it. That thing where like Rihanna does a thing where she like has her crown and she goes. It's my birthday.
Oh, her anti.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I think that's good.
Yeah.